All right, here we have Norfolk Southern V18 eastbound here in Suffolk. Looks like he's going a little bit slower than normal. Signal's coming down. I know we got V07 that's on the way as well. Oh no, we got an EMD on this. Looks like an SD70 ACE. Hey, he's got lumber on there. Yes, sir, Ian. SD70M, all right. Yes, 2601, all right. 2601 and 8429X Conrail. All right. With the NS V1802, all right. Woo! Oh wow. Man, that was the first train of the night. NSV18 with NSSD70M 2601 and NSX Conrail-8 8429. But man, that was a pretty V18. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I cannot say enough about it. Look at it go in the distance. That's the second time this week, actually the second time within a week, that Caterpillar equipment has been featured on the NSV18. They must be doing a lot of business with Caterpillar. Alrighty, that's train number 1. Thanks for watching. This is Engineer Pat, out.